So, ayun po, no? Loko. Ito ang nagtatagal. Hey, what's up guys? It's Ray here. I'll be discussing to you all permutations and probability with the help of Kristian. So, he'll be discussing what permutation can do to our daily lives. So for example is the factorial of number 9. That could be expressed as 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. If you calculate that, that would be equal to 362,880. And now the formula. So we have is the number of n things taken are at the time is or here.
Okay, hello guys, thank you Ray for explaining what permutation is, and I'm here to give you examples, guys. I'm here to give you examples about permutations and some problems, word problems, yes. Hello Kanchan. So, we have the formula. So, the number of permutations is n things taken are at a time. So we have this. So our problem here, so let's just so our problem here, our word problem. So Jim has 6 books. Find the number of orders, in which case can be arranged by 6 books on a shelf. So we know that the n here is 6 because Jin has 6 books, the number of books. And R is how many times, so it's 6. So it equals to that. So since it's both 6, we minus that. We minus it first and it goes to 0. So it turns to 1. So we cancel this 2 out. So if we multiply all that, we have 720. Moving on to our second problem, we have here 7 soup cans in the pantry. If the shelf has only enough room for 4 cans, find the number of ways 4 of the 7 cans can be arranged. So we know that we have 7 soup cans, and we have to arrange them 4 different ways. So if we put that formula into use, we have 7 here, 7 minus 4 factorial. We have 7 factorial. It'll turn to 3 factorial. Then we have to cancel that out. We have to cancel 3 to 1 out. So cancel that out. We'll be left with 7, 6, 5, and 4. Multiply that and we get this final answer, 840. So there are 840 permutations or 840 ways we can arrange these 7 food cans in a 4-space shelf. On to our third and final example, we have 8 books on the table. If a bag can hold 7 books, find the number of ways of 7 of the 8 books can be arranged. So we have 8 as our number of books and 7 of ways we can arrange it. So 8 minus 7 is 1 factorial, and there's 8 factorial. So what we do is we do some canceling out. So we cancel out all this and we'll be left with 8 only. So that means we only have 8 ways we can arrange our books. Yes. And that's it for this lesson about permutations and probability. I'd like to thank Ray. Thank you for cooperating, and I'd like to thank some sources and